Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. May peace be upon you all, honorable examiners of this final assignment examination. In this special occasion, I am Nur Aisyah, a student of English Language Education Study Program and Tarbiyat Teacher Training, Fakulty State Islamic Institute of Palopo. I would like to thank to the examiners who have given me an opportunity to present about my thesis with the title The Effectiveness of Using Run to the Board in Teaching Vocabulary and Experimental Research at the 8th grade of SMP Muhammadiyah Palopo. Well, my thesis consists of 3 chapters. The first chapter is Introduction, second review of related literature, third is method of the research. The thesis written by Mrs. Nurul Miftah SPD MPD. Chapter 1, Introduction.
A few moments later.
The first is background. Vocabulary is one of the most important necessities for teaching and learning a foreign language. Based on the researchers' observation in the 8th grade of Junior High School Muhammadiyah Palopo January 5, 2019, and the result of the review, the teachers that the student English ability is still lacking, especially their speaking and writing, because lack of vocabulary. Then, the teachers said the most of the students did not enough vocabulary in the previous lesson. In this case, the research good idea to share one of the games and very interesting to the research of the effectiveness of using run to the board game in teaching vocabulary at the 8th grade of Junior High School Muhammadiyah Palopo. Next, research questions. Number 1. Does run to the board game effective to improve the students' vocabulary at the 8th grade of Junior High School Muhammadiyah Palopo? Next, number 2. What is the students' response of the implementation of run to the board game at the 8th grade of Junior High School Muhammadiyah Palopo? Next, research objective. This research aims to find out whether run to the board game improve the students' vocabulary at the 8th grade of Junior High School Muhammadiyah Palopo or not. And the last, research significance. It is expected to solve the students' problems in memorizing vocabulary by using suitable and enjoyable media while learning. Number 2, students can use the vocabulary they have learned when they communicate with others. And 3, give a piece of knowledge to the teacher. Next, chapter 2, reviews related literature. Previous studies. Number 1, Fitri Palupi Kusumawati, 2017. On her thesis, the use of Borage game towards students' vocabulary mastery at first semester of civil engineering students in Muhammadiyah of Metro. And number 2, Nisak Jamilatus Sakila, 2019. The effectiveness of using Borage game to enhance students' vocabulary mastery in teaching English concrete known at the 8th grade students Junior High School Muhammadiyah plus Salatiga. And number 3, Vera Romaisa Sarah, 2017. On her thesis, improving students' vocabulary through Borage language game, the case of second year LMD students at Lerby Ben Im Heidi University of EL Boweg. From the 3 research above, it can be concluded that the similarity of the studies is teaching to improve the students' vocabulary reading ability. The difference is the subject of this research is different from the research above used. Different types of research use. Quasi-experimental. Next, theoretical basis. According to Noonan, 2015 says that vocabulary is useful to keep a word list of the 1,000 most common words on hand and use it as a reference tool. And according to Lazar Lawston, 2013 defines vocabulary as the words of a language, including single items and phrase of chunks of several words which convey a particular meaning, the way individual words. In the last chapter 3, method of the research. Experimental. Before giving a treatment, the researcher gives the pretext to the experimental class. Then, the students answer the vocabulary text. After giving the pretext, the research gave the treatment to the students through run to the board game, different materials for each meeting. After the treatment, the research gave the post text of the students. The purpose was to test the students' understanding of vocabulary mastery. The honorable examiners, I have presented all the content of my final assignment from chapter 1 until 3. That's all my presentation. Thank you so much for your nice attention. In the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.